Subclass of PyTorch dataset class cannot find dataset files. I'm trying to create a subclass of the PyTorch MIST dataset class, which I call custom MIST dataset, as follows. But when I execute, it fails with error, runtime error, dataset not found. You can use download equals true to download it. However, when I run the following in the same file, it succeeds and prints 60,000, as expected. Since custom MIST dataset subclasses datasets.mist, is the behavior different? I've verified that the path /home/sando contains the MIST directory with raw and processed subdirectories, otherwise, explicitly calling the constructor for datasets.mist would have failed. The current behavior implies that the call to super._init_ within custom MIST dataset is not calling the constructor for datasets.mist, which is very strange. Other details: I'm using Python 3.6.8 with torch equals 1.6.0 and torch vision equals 0.7.0. Any help would be appreciated.
This requires some source diving, but your problem is this function. The path to the dataset is dependent on the name of the class, so when you subclass MIST, the root folder changes to /home/sando/custom MIST dataset. So if you rename /home/sando/mist to /home/sando/custom MIST dataset, it works.
Dataset.